Welcome to qnawire.
We want to sketch the graph of g of t, and g of t is an absolute value function. So let's first start thinking about what absolute functions look like in general. What does y equals the absolute value of x look like? That's your basic V-shaped curve that has its vertex at 0, 0. So we're expecting to see something similar to that, but transformed in some way, perhaps shifted left or right, or stretched vertically or horizontally. So at this point, let's go ahead and find some ordered pairs to plot. The pivotal point for an absolute value graph is the point where you get a y value of 0. And so that would happen at x equals, or t equals 1/3. So if t is 1/3, then we end up with 1 minus 3 times 1/3 inside the absolute value signs, and so we just get 0. From there, let's find a couple points to the right of that and a couple points to the left of that. So suppose we pick 0, 1, 2, and -1. So for 0, we end up with the absolute value of 1, which is 1. For 1, we end up with the absolute value of -2, which is 2. For 2, we end up with the absolute value of -5, which is 5. And for -1, we end up with the absolute value of 4, which is 4. So let's combine what we know about the shape of absolute value graphs with the plotting of these points and see what we get. So 1/3, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, -1, 4. And then we go ahead and draw the lines through those points.